Tricia will be here, and this is another of my videos about how to garden. And today we're going to prune a Garrya elliptica, which is a lovely evergreen winter flowering shrub. It's finished flowering now. You can see the old flowers here, these racemes, pale yellow throughout January. So really lovely shrub, but it's beginning to look a bit untidy. So it's time to prune. And here you'll see a typical stem, and here where the leaves come from, that's called a node. And what you want to do is you want to prune just above one of those. Obviously that's just a cutting. On the actual shrub itself, I'm going to take it quite hard back because they grow very well if they're cut hard back. So you can literally take away up to 9 to 12 inches. Take that one until you get back to the structural wood, and make sure you water it afterwards if it's not raining, and that will form new shoots for this coming winter. So that's Garrya elliptica, really beautiful shrub, very easy and fun to do.